Wait lang, may tanong ako. Ilang percent ang non-revenue water ng water utility mo? Sure ka ba na true NRW percentage yan? Sagutin mo nga ito ng yes or no. Gumagamit ka ba ng flow meter o water meter sa pag-measure ng production volume at hindi ka ba nagbe-base lang sa computation and mathematical derivation based sa pump specification? Hindi ka ba nag-spot flow measurement lang at nagbe-base na doon yung production volume mo? Less than 5 years old ba ang lahat ng mechanical water meters na gamit mo sa production measurement? May regular maintenance program ka ba para sa mga production meters? At least once a year, nagpapacheck ka ba ng calibration ng mga production meters to make sure na laging tama ang production measurement? Calibrated ba yung portable ultrasonic lamp-on type flow meter na ginagamit mo for meter accuracy verification ng mga production meters? Kung yes ang sagot mo sa lahat, it is with higher probability na tama ang current NRW percentage ng water utility mo. Ganun lang. Madali lang, di ba? If you want to know the ways how to make sure that your production is measured accurately, dahil ang accurate NRW computation ay nagsisimula sa accurate measurement ng production volume, watch it from a YouTube channel at ilalagay ko yung link sa comment section.